Maybe you are also trying to add products inside your WooCommerce website. If you are also trying to add products inside your WooCommerce website, then this is the right video for you. After watching this entire video, you will be also familiar all those tips and tricks related with the WooCommerce products, and you have to watch this entire video to know all those tips and tricks to create products and various type of the steps mentioned on this video. So without any late, let's begin our tutorial.
Welcome to you all in my computer screen. So this is my demo WordPress website, and this is the demo WooCommerce website. So you can see here is a one menu available, and inside this website there is few posts also available, but I don't have any products, so I need to add few products inside my WooCommerce website. So in this video I'm going to teach you about that one. So first of all, you have to log in inside your WordPress website. So now you can see here, this is the dashboard of my WordPress. So now you have to go inside your WordPress dashboard. So now you can see this is my WordPress dashboard. Then after that, just you have to go directly in the product section, and just you have to click in the all products. Now you can see here I don't have any single products available inside my WooCommerce store. So that's why I can directly click in the create product. Otherwise you can directly click in the add new. So I am just clicking in the add new. Now you can see here it is asking me add new product. So I have to give the product name here. So I am just giving the product name birthday cake. Okay, then after that you have to put media files such as images related with your product. So I am just clicking add media. So here is a image available, so you can give the alt text and the title and caption for the search engine optimization. After selecting this image, just click in the insert into product. So now you can see here one images came inside this section, so you can put a few description also here, but I'm not putting any description. So you have to come down after inserting the images. So now you can see here there is a two options available, virtual and downloadable. So if your product is virtual, then you have to select the virtual option, and if your product is downloadable, then just you have to select the downloadable option. Okay, but in this time I have physical product, so that's why I'm not selecting those options. Then after that, just you have to set the price. It is giving me the regular price and sale price. I'm just giving the regular price is 500. Okay, and the sale price is 250. Okay, then after that you can schedule it also, but I am not scheduling it. Okay, then after that, just you have to come in the inventory section. So now we can see here there is a SKU and stock status. Okay, so you can choose various status here. So if your products is in stock, then you can choose this one, or otherwise you can choose out of stock or on back order. Okay, but in this time I am not using any of them. Then just you have to click in the shipping. So now we can see here there is a few options available. You have to provide the weight related weight and the dimension and the shopping classes. Okay, so for example, I am just giving the 0.2 gram. Okay, and you can give the length, width and height, and you can choose the shipping class also. I am not giving this one. After that, just you have to click in the linked product. So in the linked product you can choose the off sale and the cross sales. Okay, so from here you can easily give those options, but in this time I am not doing anything because this is not necessary for me. After that, just you have to click on the attribute. So from the attribute you can easily create a attribute here. Okay, so in the attribute you can give the name and values, but in this time I am not giving this one, and just clicking in the close. After that, just you have to click on the advanced. So from the advanced you can give the purchase note. For example, I am just giving large size birthday cake. Okay, then you can give the menu order also, but I am not giving this one. Otherwise you can give 1 2 3 like this. Okay, then after that, just you have to click in the get more option. and from here you can give the various type of the extension, or you can use various type of the extension. For example, you can use the name your price, unpaid checkout, and those type of the extension you can insert this one. For example, if you want to add those recommended extensions, just you have to click in the browse all extension. Then after that you will go here. Now you can see here, this is the WooCommerce extension store, and here is the various type of the extension such as Stripe, WooCommerce tax, WooCommerce payment, PayPal payments, Square for WooCommerce. Those type of the options available here, and you can use those type of extension. So there is almost 770 extension available, but I am not using any of them. And now you can see here, you have to give the product short description here. So I am just giving few short description here. Healthy birthday cake with various ingredients and cheese. Okay, and you can put a short description related with your products. Okay, then after that you can put the product tags, for example birthday cake, like this, and just you have to click in the 8. Then after that you have to choose a category also. So I am just creating a new category here. Just click in the 8 new category, and I am just giving it the cake, and just click in the 8 new category. Okay, then now you can see here I have created a new category here. Then after that just you have to give the Google listing and ads also, but in this time I am not giving this one. And you can select the product image from here. So I am just selecting a product image, so I am just giving this one. Okay, then after that just you have to add your product in the gallery. Just click in the add product gallery image. So I am just giving this one, and just click in the add to gallery. Okay, after that just you have to publish this product. Product is created successfully, and the product is published. So if I reload this one, okay guys, so now you can see here our product is coming inside here. Okay, so you can easily add this product inside your website. So I'm just creating another product also, and then I will check this page again. Okay guys, so now I have created almost 4 products inside here. So if I click in the all products, so now we can see I have created 4 products. So now I'm going to reload this page. So if I reload this one, so now we can see I have 4 products available inside my WooCommerce store. So in this way you can easily add products inside your WooCommerce store.
So hoping that now you will be also able to add products inside your WooCommerce website. If you have still any kind of problems or queries, let me know in the comment sections. And don't forget to share this video to among those people who are trying to add products inside their WooCommerce website. And if you want to know how to install WordPress website, you can watch this video.